Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today is going to be my first planting of 2025, and we need to get these guys out of here. Oh, my planters have done really well. Nothing fell over this year, but it is time to see these gone, and I'm really hoping, yay, they're not frozen. So this has been a problem I've had the last few years. I'll go to do this video and this is frozen and I can't get anything out, and then I have to wait a couple days or dump in hot water or whatever. But this is a good sign. It shows that these are going to be, yeah, they're coming out just fine. So that means that I will have the soil is going to be just fine for my babies to go in. So we're going to go and I'm going to pull all this stuff out and put them in a bag. This is all going to go back up into the attic, and then we'll go grab some of those babies and we're going to get these guys planted up today. So today is a high, I can't remember how high we're going. I think we're going to be in the 50s. Tomorrow is going up to the 60s, but it's going to have a light drizzle, which will be perfect for planting out the seedlings. So they get a nice drizzle. I think it's only supposed to be a low of 50 overnight tomorrow night. So they're going to, you know, kind of get eased in, and then hopefully by then, you know, they're on their own. A little bit of tough love over here. So yeah, let's get going. This is so exciting. All right, they look kind of naked. Okay, really naked. So we're going to start off with some store-bought primrose that I got on sale. And these are a perennial here, and I will plant them out into the front garden when I switch this out to my summer container. Right now this is just the spring containers. So I didn't really do anything with the soil. It's just what was in here from last year. I'll probably add in more compost and all that for later, but I don't expect these to do too much in a short period of time. Okay, and then we're going to start with the really dry daffodils. We're going to stick these here. And this one I got free at the CD Saturday event. So they're done blooming, but I'm going to put them in here just for some green color. All right, and now we're just gonna fill it up with pansies. I don't know if I'm gonna bother with, maybe I'll put a couple snapdragons. We'll try it. Here's the front. I haven't done any cleanup yet, except I did pull a couple of things out of there just in prep for this. But the crocuses are blooming. We got some little snowdrops. I will clean this up a little bit just to plant the pansies here. And let's get at it. Woohoo! So this is gonna be a crazy pansy bowl. I don't even know how many are in there. There's probably like 50 maybe. That's gonna be amazing. And then I came back in here and I just popped in a bunch just along here. That's as far as I'm gonna get tonight. I have stuff I have to get to. I'll probably be out in the morning popping more pansies just kind of wherever I can. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.